Flawless, quick, and easy makeup for beginners. No contour, no highlights, no blush, no eyeshadow. Naturally and flawless. First, you moisturize your face. I use the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream on a clean face. Get everywhere nice and moisturized. Then I'm going to apply my liquid foundation. Here I use the All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation by Urban Decay. And I use small amount. Here I'm just going to use a total of 2 squirts. 1 layer. Use a nice applicator sponge. I like to use the one with a little tip with the edge, so you could get in between the crease, around the eyes, around the lips, your neck. And this is a second squirt, and that's going to be it for the foundation. And you see here, we give a nice flawless coverage. And a foundation that goes perfectly with your skin tone, that matches your skin tone. As you see here, it matches perfectly with my neck, my chest, the rest of my body. Just blend it in nice and easy. Try to get it around your eyebrow. Do not put it on your eyebrow. Just around your eyebrow. And before, make sure your eyebrow is like perfectly shaped, so it'll be easier when you do your eyebrow makeup. Also to get your ears, because you want everything to blend perfectly. And I have a deep dimmed on my lip, so I like to get it right between the dimmed of my lip, my upper lip. And as you see here, flawless. And then I applied a little bit of multi-use sculpting concealer. This is by Too Faced. Just 4 dots under each eye, and then I blend it out with the sponge. This brings your face up a little bit. It helps to brighten it up, so it's not just one tone, it's not just flat from the concealer by itself, from the foundation by itself. Just brighten up around the eye. Get all in between the crevices. Nice and smooth. Look at that. Nice, easy, and flawless, and quick. And with any extra residue on the sponge, you just get around the T-zone. And remember, try not to get any on your eyebrow. And then here I set it in with the setting powder. Here I use the Derma Blend setting powder. You could either set it with the sponge or the brush. You just set everything nice and smooth. It lasts all day. And guys, this is nice and light. It's not heavy. Feels like you're not wearing anything. For the lips, I just use Blistex. I like my lips feeling moisturized and smooth all day, and the Blistex keeps your lips nice, smooth, moisturized all day. It's a little white, but it will blends right in and just turn to like a nice glossy. Then you get the lipstick of your choice and you just dab a little on your lips. I don't really like using lip gloss that's like too shiny and sticky, because I don't like the too shiny look or the too sticky feel. The Blistex is a nice little trick that makes your lip feels moisturized all day with no sticky feel. And that's it. Use a tissue and you just dab, or a little paper towel, you dab in the excess into your lip. And look, for your eyebrow, I just use, remember, this is makeup for beginners. If you don't have the eyebrow brush, you could just use a little baby comb and comb your eyebrow. And then here, I'm using a dark brown pencil, eyebrow pencil. And once your eyebrow is already perfectly shaped, it's very easy to apply it. Just go right over the shape of your already shaped eyebrow. Nice and easy. And that's it. And any extra hair from your eyebrow, just use a comb and brush it in. See? Voila. The eyebrow pencil just helps to give it that little extra pop. And remember, like I said, make sure your eyebrow is already perfectly shaped. So you're just following the shape of your eyebrow. And it's that easy. Remember, brush any extra excess hair that's hanging down in the excess and get it right up there so everything is in sync. Everything is perfectly together, aligned. There you go. Now for the wings. I love my signature wings, and here I'm using black eyebrow pencil or eyeliner. You start from the corner of your eye, the outside of your eye, you just draw it right in and around. Follow the curve of your eye, your eyelid. There you go, nice and easy. The same on the other side. Start from the outside, just gently bring it in and around. And you have different ways you could do the eyeliner. You could make it curved, you could make it straight, you could make it long, you could make it short, based on the look you're looking for. And here I use CoverGirl Black Mascara. Because guys, I don't wear fake eyelashes. I've never wore fake eyelashes ever. I'm not even sure if I know how to put it on. I was just always scared that when I take it off, it will take out my own eyelash. I just never wear it. So what I do, I just work with what I have. So I just use a mascara to make my eyelash a little more bold and pop. So this one is for fuller, thicker lash by CoverGirl. And just like this, you just comb it right in. I do over and under to get like a nice fuller, thicker look. You see? A nice fuller, thicker look. You can spread them out a little bit based on the look you're looking for. And guys, it's not that hard. Just open your eyes nice and wide and do over and under. And that's it. Quick and easy 10-minute makeup for beginners, and you're ready to go. So don't forget, guys, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share this video for more makeup tutorials or makeup ideas from me. And also I love changing up my hair, whether I'm styling my own hair or I'm adding extensions or braids or even wigs. I love changing my hair, and I'll do vlogs or tutorial with different hairstyles, how I change my hair up. And that's it. Nice and easy makeup for beginners. Hope you like it. And don't forget, guys, subscribe, give a thumbs up, drop your comments. And stay tuned for when Ray do my makeup.